Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 30th, 2024, and we're diving into Clearway Energy's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Clearway Energy, a leader in clean energy generation, has just released its Q3 2024 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Clearway Energy reported a net income of $27 million for the third quarter. How does this compare to last year, and what are the key drivers?
Clearway's net income increased from $15 million in Q3 2023 to $27 million this quarter. This improvement is largely due to non-cash impacts from economic hedges and lower tax expenses, although it was partially offset by higher interest expenses. The adjusted EBITDA also saw a rise to $354 million, driven by growth investments.
And what about their cash flow and distribution capabilities?
Cash from operating activities was robust at $301 million, and the cash available for distribution, or KFD, was $146 million. While KFD was slightly lower than last year due to the expiration of the El Segundo tolling agreement, it was supported by new growth investments.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, can you tell us about Clearway's operational performance and their outlook for the future?
Certainly. The conventional segment's availability was slightly down at 87.5% due to outages, but the renewable segment saw a 27% increase in generation thanks to growth investments. Looking ahead, Clearway reaffirmed its 2024 CFD guidance at $395 million and initiated a 2025 guidance with a midpoint of $420 million, indicating strong growth prospects.
And what about their dividend policy?
Clearway has increased its quarterly dividend by 1.7% to $42.40 per share, reflecting confidence in their cash flow generation and commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Strategic initiatives and investments. Clearway has been active on the strategic front. Can you elaborate on their recent investments and initiatives?
Absolutely. Clearway has committed $155 million to the Pine Forest Solar Plus Storage Project, expected to be operational by 2025. They've also received an offer to invest in the Honeycomb Phase 1, a 320-megawatt storage hybridization project. Additionally, they refinanced Capistrano Wind with a $121 million term loan, which will support their debt service and facility obligations.
These investments seem to align with their growth strategy. How do they impact Clearway's long-term goals?
These strategic moves are crucial for Clearway's long-term growth, enhancing their renewable portfolio and ensuring sustainable cash flows. They are well-positioned to achieve their 2027 CAFD per share target of $242.60, representing significant annual growth.
Risks and challenges. Every company faces risks. What are the potential challenges for Clearway Energy?
Clearway's liquidity stands at $1,266 million, with $382 million in restricted cash. While they have a solid cash position, their long-term debt is substantial at $6,732 million. Additionally, their operations are subject to seasonality, with most revenues generated in the summer months. Managing these factors will be key to maintaining financial stability.
How does Clearway plan to mitigate these risks?
Clearway is focusing on diversifying its portfolio and optimizing its capital structure. They are also leveraging their contracted clean energy assets to ensure stable cash flows, which should help mitigate the impact of seasonality and debt obligations.
Key takeaways. In summary, Clearway Energy has delivered a solid performance in Q3 2024 with strong net income and strategic investments paving the way for future growth. Their increased dividend and reaffirmed guidance reflect confidence in their business model.
Indeed, Clearway's focus on renewable energy and strategic investments positions them well for long-term success. Investors should keep an eye on their execution of growth projects and management of financial risks.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Clearway Energy's performance in the comments below.